Once you are in the network, it's often not too hard to gain access to an SAP system, for example, via insecure default settings or unpatched vulnerabilities. And once you are in the system, it doesn't really matter which system, it can be a sandbox system or a development system, then typically it's not really that hard to move throughout this SAP landscape and jump from one system to another system. Because of the typical interconnectivity between SAP systems, and also because when SAP was implemented quite often, for example, in RFC connections, users were put there with extensive authorizations like SAP all. That makes it really easy to jump from one system to another system and eventually end up in your production systems with productive data. So again, there is a need really for this last line of defense that looks at the application level. And typically, the investments done by customers in authorizations or standard firewalls and other, let's say, generic defense is not always helpful to protect you specifically in this case.